Hey everyone, it's Chris from Flag House, and this week I'm here with Coach John Smith to look at a really interesting activity. This is It Rocks.
It Rocks is a rock climbing wall without the rocks. You put patches up on your wall, they're Velcroed on, and then you can walk on the foot blocks, you can use your hands on the wall, and it's great for everyone of all different levels.
So this is a great activity not only for your regular PE class, but it's great for adaptive as well too. And hey, if you want more ideas like this, then you need to be subscribing to the Flag House Activity channel. We always have brand new activities every single Wednesday. Coming up next, it's It Rocks on the Flag House Activity channel.
We got a new one today called It Rocks. Do you rock?
No.
Yeah, we rock once in a while, we rock. But It Rocks is a way of climbing rock, doing rock climbing without the rocks. So we're gonna do it in several different ways. So I'm going. Okay, you go, you go. But you gotta lean on them a little bit. You gotta push on them, yeah. Gotta keep your feet back here on the green, that's good. Looking good, looking good. Okay, on our way back, we're going just yellow and green. Yeah, you better go a little slower than that, because yeah, go ahead, Zach. Oh, he lets go with both arms. That's dangerous. Could fall right off those rocks. This one is big, small. So use a big rock, a little rock. Go ahead. Big, small. Keep a hand on the wall all times. Because in rock climbing, if you let go of the wall. Okay, now we're going to do the same one, but you have to keep your feet on the rocks that are down here. Yeah, now you gotta be not only focusing on the wall, any color, any size. Oh, he was off. We got one climber down. Okay, this time it's going to be the same color that your hand is on, your foot must be on. Red, red. Now she's got to figure out what color. Red, another one. Use your other hand. Use your right hand. Yellow, good. Now left, oh, nice switch. Good. Oh, now the right hand goes red. There's a red one right there, good. Uh-oh, now what's she gonna do? She's going green, nice pick. Oh, great move. Okay, now we're gonna have, for the next one, Zach's gonna go first. We're gonna go one person from each side, crisscrossing. You lost it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Get there. Oh, well done. Well done. We had some people that let go and looked around. What would happen to them if they were climbing a rock wall? They're down, they're down. And, down here's all that water with the sharks and the alligators. You got to watch out for that. Muddy water. Somebody got his foot real wet. That's the way it goes. But that's called It Rocks. What do you say?
It rocks.
Hey. Oh, louder.
It rocks.
Okay.